Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Guru Guru Maharaj ki jai, Guru Parampara ki jai, Anantam Guru Vaishnava Vrinda ki jai, Sabha Sadguru ki jai, Bhakta Vinay Shankar Nrsimhadev ki jai, Bhaktaraj Prahlad Maharaj ki jai, जय वृंदावन धाम की जय, जय धामेश्वरी मंदिरेश्वरी भुवनेश्वरी श्रीमती रानी की जय, समवेत गौरभक्त वृंद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदी हमारी लाठी श्री वृंदावन धाम नाउ सुन कमिंग केशवव्रत and this केशवव्रत very important. This Vaishak Maas केशवव्रत मान continue. This Keshav is like this Krishna himself is many swarup, but Keshavadvaita Meena Swarup, Keshavadvaita Purma Swarup. Keshav is all incarnation Keshav to come. Also, is Vrindavan Dham, he is teaching how serving Radharani. Keshav, he is Keshav. His service for himself he is doing tapasya. This Vaishak Maas. 1 month, his singer Lord, Bank of Jamuna, he is doing Vrata. Very strong. And he is not only combing Srimati Radharani's hair, he is not only massaging feet, he is teaching everybody and giving his strength, energy, power and grit. Otherwise, without Sadhu Sangha, not possible getting his any benediction and bhakti. Sadhu Sangha, Sarvashastra kohe. Love matra Sadhu Sangha, Sarvasiddhi hoye. Tulayam Bhavanamavi Nasargam Napunargam. Bhagavad Sange Sangasya Punah Puntasya. Sadhu Sangha is important, but why getting sadhu? Why finding? How understanding sadhus? So Krishna showing this Radharani, Manjaris, Gopis, Vasdevis are real their sadhu. Only Krishna telling Ananya Sintan to Man Jivana Purivar Sati. As who is Ananya? Krishna says, Madhvakta Madhyadi Man Namaskuru. तो मनमाना भोगो. Who is मनमाना भोगो? Only Vasdevis, Vrajavasis. That Vasdevis, whom is staying, they are not took shelter their lotus feet and not serving them, then you will never getting anything. No understanding anything. Therefore, needed is, important things is, this sadhu sangha. Who is sadhu? Only Vasdevis. Only is sadhu. Honest. So now Krishna is telling, my anartha, my ego, my prides, my everything, how can I be moving? I have anartha, no taste for any bhakti, no good any association, any program for. How can I do anything? Therefore, he is telling to come up with Giriraj Govardhan. There is many important place, like 2 days before also I am explaining Dan Ghati. This Dan Ghati, Krishna saying, in Prabhu Sandhu writing this explanation, Dadati Patikinnati, Uyamakati Prichati, Bhumti Bhujati Jaiva, Sarvida Pritilakam. Love symptom. How love is coming within God and God person. Therefore, Krishna saying, you have anything, Patram Puspam Padam Tuyam, Yamanokta Apagachati, you offering, go Giriraj Govardhan. He Govardhan, he Govardhan. Gopa, Gopi, Gokul, Gopal, Brajavasis, he is near and dearest and close. Possible, he is giving everything, love and affection, service mood, giving great, giving tendency, giving everything. But other persons they are going, they have love with these other things, They giving me anything, this is contaminant. This is not pure. Possible giving, I am serving somebody, he is giving me many things, bless giving, but his bliss is contaminated. Not clean bliss. Why he has love with any other? He like any other. Then I will be contaminated, I will be dirty. I can clean them. No clean love anybody else. This is called sweetness. This is the Madhur Rasa. Only Madhur Rasa is clean love. And Madhur sweet persons, God persons, many. But not all are Madhur Rasa followers. Not all Ragatmik, not Raganugo. Anybody not Raganugo, not Ragatmik, not Rupanugo, their love is contaminated. I am serving them, Dadati Pratigina, Guyamakate Bichati, Bhumti, Bhudativa, Sorvika, Pratilakam. But Goswami, what saying? Bhaktivinoda Thakur explaining. तत्वना बुझिए ज्ञाने व अज्ञाने असत हिसाब करी भक्ति हाराइनु विषय हईनु सुदूरे रहिले हरि दान प्रतिग्रह मिथुक्त कथा भक्षण भोजन दान संग्रह लक्षण এই ছয় ইহাতে ভক্তির প্রাণ তত্ত্বনা বুঝিয়ে জ্ঞানে বা অজ্ঞানে অসতে এসব করি ভক্তি হারাইনু বিষয় হইনু সুদূরে রহিলে হরি Bhaktivinoda Thakur cleanly, very sweetly explaining what is it. This Dadati Pratignati, Bhakti's symptom and Bhakti's means and Bhakti's main important heart. But I cannot understand I am doing any other nonsense with this, any other incarnation followers with this, with the transfer. And symptom is doing, then my Bhakti is finished. Guilt is finished. Not clean love coming. Not I will go Ananya. Not possible Manmana Bhakta. Manmana Bhava, Mad Bhakta Madhyati Namaskar. Therefore Krishna himself saying Sadhu Sangha. Who Sadhu? Giryaji Sadhu. Then anybody coming, crossing this Dangati, then Krishna bypass taking. Say giving Giryaj, give me, no giving, bypass taking. All are Gurudev sending some Diksha for people not giving, requesting, please giving, and you will be like to be successful. This and that driving, you go thinking this Sadhu is cheating. But Krishna, everybody is there to take it. Until they are taking buttermilk, butter, cream, yogurt, anything, Krishna taking. Giving my guru, what the tax? This is called tax collector, tax office. But why is taking? See, any other is giving, then you will be contaminated. This is life destroyed for only one way. I have one coin, one paisa. I have one glass, this much water. First, I am not giving my beloved God, God persons. I am giving other, my body. Then this body will be contaminated. Therefore, Krishna is saying, Jaka Sistas, Nasanto, Bhujanti, Sarvakiri Misai, Bhujanti Je, Abham Papa, Jepajanti, Atmakarana. One drop of, not you doing for Jagya by Krishna, Vishnu. You using for yourself. That this is sin. And this is simple things taking, then you will be contaminated. Then you will be disturbed. Not clean love. So this Madhur Rasa, why are you collecting? One is Sadhu. Who is Sadhu? Where I am finding? Who is Ananya Krishna, near and dearest, close to Krishna. Then everybody asking, who is your good friend Siddham, Sudham, Vasudham, Kinkini, Lavanga, Madhumangal, Subhadra Bhadrasen, Arjun, Pippili? They are your close to? Yasaka, Pranama Saka, Pran Saka, Krishna Saka, Surit Saka. Acha, that is close to. After asking Krishna, okay, Lolita Vishaka, Srimati Dharani, everybody you close, very sweet to you. Krishna say, everybody mine, but I am taking everybody with me where Giriraj Govardhan me. Only Giriraj is everything. Therefore, Srimati Dharani praying. Antaya Madhyabala, Hridas Varja, Jad Ram Krishna Charana Spasha Pranuda, Manam Tarati Saha Gobanayo Stanayo Paniya Sudhavasa Pandara Pandamulai. This much? No. Govardhana Jayati Saira Pudadhiraj, Jo Gopika Virudito, हरिदास वर्ज Srimati Radharani herself telling Haridas Varja, Haridas 3, one Uddhava, one Yudhishthira Maharaj, but they are close to Krishna, but like not Haridas, not like Govardhan. Why Govardhan? Govardhan, Titi Govardhan, Go Gopal, Gopi, Gopal, this Brajavasi, this sadhu, his heart felt love for only for Krishna. So this Govardhan and anybody took shelter, Gurudev telling many times, oh my last desire, I am 6 months sometimes doing Govardhan, sometimes every time doing Parikrama. He is calling me to come with me, but he is running, walking and running. Why he is very fast Parikrama. Giving Parikrama Danda Tokaring, after praying, chanting Harinam, and after Harinam complete 64 rounds, then he is praying. Many places of Haring Pranam, one trees of Haring Pranam. I say, what is big? Trees of Haring Pranam? Trees is laying down, dry tree, Kadamba tree is embracing, crying. I am not understand. Why I am not doing that time I am very new. After what is praying and deeply like hearing, after some time he glorified. He is saying, Srimati Radharani herself telling, oh Krishna near and dear is close to you, and all are beloved. Oh, Haridas Varja, Govardhana Jayati, Sri Kuladi Raja, Pujapati Tiruvira Maharaj. He 4 months Chatumasya, old age, body not possible walking, but he is every day giving Parikrama. I am asking Maharaj, why you doing Parikrama every day? One day Parikrama, enough, mind doing Parikrama. Say no. My body is messing in this Vira's grass duties. I am his Vira's glorifying. Speaking Vira's Katha, he is crying. First he asking everybody, Viraj is Bhakta or Bhagavan? He classes all Maharaj big Acharyas. Then came in, everybody agreed on conclusion. Then Gurudev telling Mahaprabhu himself, he is saying, these Giriraj I am giving Raghunath you. We are worshipping Giriraj. But how worshipping? Only giving Ashtamanjari Tulasi, Chandan and 1 clay pot water. This much. Then Manjari Tulasi giving whom? Possible anybody accepting? Also Ashtamanjari. This is only possible Krishna. Also Madhur, Shasita, Manjari is there, nearby Krishna. This Tulasi Manjari, other Manjaris, not occurring, Krishna never happy. Krishna's happiness for Manjari is there all time ready. Roti, Rupa, this, or Ananga, many Manjaris, common Manjari, Rasa Manjari, all Manjari there. This Manjari Bhav, Upasana Mahaprabhu first teaching in Raghunath Das Goswami. That one is Bhajan Tattvacharya. This is not ordinary. So this Madhurasa, where to come in our near? Madhurati, who giving? Nobody kindly giving us this message and news, no giving this grid. Therefore, Rupa Goswami writing, Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavida Mati, Kriyata Jadi Kutopi Labdate, Tatra Lolava Mullavajaram Koti Janma Sukrite Nalabhati. What is Krishna Bhakti Rasa Bhavida Mati where? Therefore Krishna showing, look, this Bhajan Raj Tilak, Naga Tilakate Kalpavedi Suttamni. This Brajabhumi, how long he is laying it down, dust is all are smelling. He never giving answer, he is stepping, any garbage throwing, he never angry, he not disturbed. How he is serving every all Brajavasis, giving this Madhurati, only this Ramghati, he giving this much, he is giving his beloved, his heartfelt love. Other person heartfelt love giving the will be contaminated. Why? There is contaminated love, not pure love. And there is pure love. He left in Dhuranchar, he left in everything. There is no attachment to this anybody, no attachment to his own body. Everything in God, Krishna's love is, Brahma's love is. What? How Seva? How is serving? And telling. Is Pramadamadana Lila Kandare. Racheti Nabajino, Saksini Dana Kele. This Dankhati, you give me this much, he's showing you and giving you chances, this Rattut Keli Kunja. You give me Dan, you don't know, you give me one flower. But this sweet flower is Krishna's lotus feet, who is offering and giving present. My whole flower not doing, what Tulsi not doing. Therefore, telling Raghunath Goswami is 8 Tulsi Manjari you are giving. Whom Giriraj? Then Giriraj giving me. Direct you giving me, then not possible. I am accepting and now accepting. One sloka telling Krishna. Siddhi bhavati bhaneti samsayo achyuta sevinam nishansayastu tadbhakta paricharya ratatmanam. Nishansaya. No doubt. You serving this Giriraj Govardhan. He is near anything is giving, he giving me. Other persons is giving doubt. Coming my near and no coming my near, no guarantee, no guarantee. But he is my beloved. I am his heart. He has heart to love for me. Then I am everything giving. Look, last lockdown time, Purushottam Mars, or Brahmachari going for it. No disturbing police, no disturbing anybody. Vajjatra, big festival. Look, they are opening gate, opening all barrier, giving his chances. Jagannath is how much happy? How is Kirtan? Rain, water, or Brahmachari offering him bhoga, doing Kirtan. This is why this much you are doing for Giriraj Niyar. Everything correct and perfect, everything is right. Other way going, doubt. Therefore Krishna is saying, Siddhi bhavati bhaneti samsaya achyuta sevinam. Achyuta service, serving you, he accepting, no accepting, doubt. No warranty, no guarantee. But definitely, guarantee is near and dearest to serving them. Vishnu is blessed. So this Giriraj Gurudev telling, he 6 months is staying there. 6 months continue. He never stay and never coming back. But Param Gurudev is staying. Radha Vinod Bihari temple is Mathura temple left. Small baby came. Why Mathura temple group is broken? Rain is coming all dropping. So they are wet. Amrita with his puja is giving. And anyhow protecting. That temple is becoming very poor. Param Gurudev there coming. Radha Vinod Bihari is telling Maharaj, small baby, Maharaj, you are here, no collar is wet. No bhoga, no food stuff. Param Gurudev come. Why Maharaj here, you know? You come Mathura. But Gurudev heart is all time overthrown. Therefore, all are Gurudev order some temple, anyhow, some places for Bhakta devotees. And say, I am giving lot of Parikrama Govardhan, you are not giving me a place. They were beginning. I am choosing many places. He said, no. I am now middle way. Half Parikrama one day giving, half Parikrama one day giving. I am doing every day. He does pranam. Then this is bhajan slowly. He is very good what? This is here is flower garden. Very sweet place. Then Gurudev choosing. Anyhow, this is coming. Gurudev Manavishta. Then Gurudev is explaining how is this Giriraj Seva. Therefore, this much Giriraj Govardhan for everybody doing. Mahaprabhu how serving? Sometimes top of eyes tears with this suffering breathing. Sometimes Mahaprabhu putting head, sometimes chest, all time that beloved Giriraj Govardhan giving his Pratimudra Raghunath Goswami. Raghunath Goswami how serving? Sometimes after telling Sodhamadar, Raghunath is serving, but 4 paisa khaja. Every day you are arranging for this bhoga. So, Sodhamadar ko arranging. So this, our sampradaya, this Madhurati for, pure bhakti for, only Giriraj Govardhan. Sanatana Goswami look, Mahaprabhu by desire, every day going Parikrama. Why? He had to go in Mathura. Mathura, Mathura Mohan giving him darshan. He is going Govardhan. Giriraj Govardhan say, oh, not possible, you are coming every day. Why old age? Summer season. He is plenty, senseless. Krishna will come, putting dupatta, speaking water. And after, well, then say, no need more coming. Giriraj say, I am going with you. He come in Vrindavan. Now also present. Vrindavan. Therefore, this Giriraj Govardhan, this Dhanghati, very sweet. Anybody going, offering pranam. Anything you have ever given, but that thing at a time will see what the other is doing. Now, next part, now starting. Also the Dhanghati, many classes, many Harikatha, all are here in the and try to start to time also explaining more the Dhanghati's glories, how is Dhanghati's glories. Sometimes Sakija, look at every disturbing Krishna, Krishna Sakhas. Sometimes Lalita very expert. Lalita wearing dhoti, chadar, turban, and going in group inside and catching in Madhumangal. And his Soti Sikha catching at time with the tree. After catching Arjun, Lavanga Pipili, Krishna running. Other time Krishna Soti also with the tree. And how doing? Bringing one on water pot and breaking and putting in our top of head. Why? But this sweet lila, madhurati, rasa, this which is not only souring Gopija, but just you also understand this. Sometimes butter is taking and all bodies, vehicle mouth and eye appear smearing and bodies appear making greasy. Then how fighting? Sometimes giving mouth inside, eating butter, need more, laddu, and chili giving inside the laddu and giving to the more mouth. How is this lila? Sweet, some pakodi making, eating more, everybody fighting and stealing, eating, good. Sometimes they are, say okay, everybody disturbing, then they are wearing dresses is like sakhas and all appearing and giving this their all langan sundri. Okay, go you now back in your house. How you going? Everybody disturbing. But this is not joke. This is not thinking ordinary things. These things is above of Maya, above of all rasa, entire in this Madhur rasa, then you will be free from everything. We will be Aganuga, then Agatu Bhajabasis, near you are hearing, you remembering, this is deep version. So now, Giriraj Govardhan saying, how can I be giving everybody Madhurati? Madhurasa. Krishna don't like anything giving more. Other things with this Krishna is not sweet desire. Therefore Mahaprabhu's time, Mahaprabhu what said? Honor Pita, serving Sira, Koruna Avatirna Guru. Samarpaitu Unnata Ujjal Rasa. Sabhakti Sriya. Only Bhakti Sriya, Srishta Bhakti, Unnata Ujjal Rasa. Only Ujjal, Madhur Rasa is pure Bhakti. How giving? How? Then Giriraj is Krishna's jnana, praying. Then Krishna say, I am giving you. What I am giving? One day Krishna calling Radharani, Lalita, Visakha, Chitra, Champakrata, Sundari, Rabadri, Kudevi, Timpavidya, all Sakhis within Mandiris. Say, okay, near Vedangati, all are this stadium like over the Madan Gate, Lila. Racheti Navajan, Padmavati Madan Lila, Lila Kandare Kandare, Personality Navajan, Anubhav Mohanivedi, Anubhav Mohanivedi, Ratna Singhasanavati, the Ratna Singhasan. Then saying today, Srimati Radharani sitting the Ratna Singhasan. So they are sitting top of Govardhan, and Sakhas were telling today all are is offering some sweet Puspanjali, means or heartfelt love-full presentation. This is rules. Somebody is my not a good well-wisher, my dear and dearest, close to me, then I am giving something presentation. My anything I have, eating time, sleeping time, talking time, any time, I am giving good things, thinking about. So now what happened? Krishna giving this Anubhav Krishna Singhasan, Krishna Devi Radharani. Then Lalita beside all are sitting. Then what is doing? Like sometime before Indra came doing Krishna Abhishek. Then giving Govinda. That Brahma came, Shiva came, all demigods came, Surabhi Mata came. Sukhi Jaya know everything. Radharani knew everything. Everybody know what Brajavasi know. But Sukhi Jaya no jealousy. But Sukhi Jaya desire, they are only doing Krishna Abhishek. Krishna never forgiving. He has never forgiving them. Foolish people, ignorant people, no brain. No coming Radharani is near, like Adiguru Brahma. He is forgiveness for Krishna's there, again and again praying. Krishna never looking. So they are telling, where no come is anywhere. Four face, four head, up and down, what is speaking? Nobody understood it. Then last time, then Brahma, Adiguru is praying. No vidate avragupse turtambaraya, unjavatam sompar pitchara sammukaya, vajna swaje kavravaitya visanakanu, lakhyasriye midupade pushpa angajaya. Pushpa angajaya, Pushpati Nanda Angajayate, then Krishna is happy. But today you are praying this Nanda was near and you are telling me I am Pushpa Angajaya, then Krishna is smiling. Okay, now you go back, no more, I am disturbing you. You will be happy and pleased. So anybody not praying and requesting Brajavasi is near, independently doing Krishna Puja, Krishna I never accepted. I am not happy with them, foolish ignorance, complete Durga, complete Pagal. Then Krishna, this Anupama Mari Devi, Ratna Singhasanandi, Rujara Darasana Droni Sankeshurangai. That is Sahabala Sakini, some Thilayan, some Piyambi. Gurudeva explained Sakini, some Thilayan, some Piyambi. That place is Sakini, not in Sakhavi, not in Dasavi, not in Basulavi. Only Sahabala Sakini, some Thilayan, some Piyambi. Krishna training today will be Radharani Abhishek. Then Sakha got very happy. All Sakha, yes. Why? Worshipping Sakha, they didn't give me laddu. Bodhumuga telling me very nice. Every day, I am eating a lot of butter, a lot of laddu. Why they are pleased? Then giving me. He is all time Rasik Chudamani. He is laughing and dancing and joking. Today is good day, auspicious day. Now, coming ourselves is very nice things. No need fighting. Why I am pleasing? Then is he giving? Then Krishna arranging this Abhishek. This is called Chandan Shiva. Gurudev Madhuravan staying in front of this Chandan Shiva, doing Abhishek, Mahabhishek, Annakul festival. Not 1 year, many years. And also this Sila, Radharani's footprint is there. All Sakhis, they are saying, my life is successful. Why this Kumkum, Chandan, Aguru, Kasturi, all were present, Radharani's lotus feet, smiling. This feet is on top of Giriraj, and Giriraj is say, today my life is successful. Now I am possible, everything giving. Otherwise, not possible what I am giving. Krishna is Brahma. He has all sorts of opulence. Possible I am giving opulence, that is still not working. People will be proud, false pride coming, false ego coming. But Radharani's footprint and deep dust, and Charanamrita I am giving, then people automatically will be clean and pure. Also they chanting the Radhe, Radhe. Our Goswami is what so doing? He Radhe, he Brajnavike, he Lalite, Nandasunu Kuta. Kuta, Sri Govardhana, Kalpapad Vatale, Kalindi Bani Kuta. What finding? Govardhana Pad, Kalpapad Vatale. Govardhan near, the lotus feet is present. With dust is present. And feedback water is present. And there the heart inside is giving this kumkum and chandan. Forever. Forever. You are now going, you are clever than in rubbing, this chandan coming. You smearing your body, you change your heart. Therefore Mahaprabhu was saying, Mahaprabhu saying, Govardhana Jaiha Naraya Chirakal. Vrindavan Jaiha Naraya Chirakal. Govardhana Chori Nadakiya Gopal. Don't touching feet with his smearing and smashing Giriraj. Vrindavan going, but not forever. Sometime for going. Then coming back. Otherwise, you cannot understand the Ragatmik, Brajavasis, love, affection. They are eating and giving. Now Puja is what doing? I know worshiping Krishna, good things giving, fresh things giving. I am not giving Krishna Giriraj Prasadam. I am not giving this and that. But Krishna, his Brajavasis remuneration. His remuneration is giving. He is Giriraj Govardhan offering Prasadam. He is distributing, he is eating himself. The Brajavasis love is unparalleled love, unconditional love, highest superior love. But who has these activities, potencies, our house? Only Giriraj Govardhan. Therefore, Giriraj Govardhan has many stone pieces. You looking? People taking and making on face. Krishna telling, this is my heart, river will be Saragram. Not other things. Therefore, they all are very lucky. Now, tomorrow next hearing, Giriraj Govardhan, this Chandan Shilatu. How is this? Sakhis, Manjaris, dust is present. They are going to do Abhishek. All are going after night time, all work finished and going Harikatha, Kirtan and Giriraj we are praying. Oh, that day will come now. I am thinking about this. Parikrama and Varundavad, Harikatha. Oh, how is this allowed? Guru Bhagavad mercy. Now some memories. This is what I am thinking. So this Madhurati, Madhurasa, Raganga Bhakti, Rupanga Bhakti, our all Guru Varga, look, Raghunath Darshan was still Radhakunda. Sanatana Goswami is a blesser. Rupa Goswami Radhakunda. All Guru Varga, there is present. His beloved our Gurudev is forever there present. His Nyan is asking, okay, one time he is not going to Bhakti Parikrama. Anyhow, he has desired that time he is Giriraj Govardhan, is Guru Purnima time. He is crying and he is telling, 60 years continue, I am Bhakti Parikrama, never left and never. This year I am here. Next year definitely Bhakti Parikrama starting and will be our center and place. So this beloved Govardhan Giriraj was next year. Everything is ready. Oh, how is he happy? So Guru Varga all time present. Soul is Krishna telling, my part and parcel. So Krishna is Nitya, then Guru Varga Nitya, eternal. They are all time present. Not thinking I am distant to them, they are distant to me. But listen, how coming? This, don't forget. Giriraj Govardhan. Therefore telling Om Namah Govardhana Dharam. Govardhana Dharam Bande, Gopala Gopurupinam, Gokula Utso Misana, Govindam Gopiyapiyam. This Govardhan give you Vaishnavi Diksha, Parokya Diksha. Past time Diksha Gurudev Niyar, Ya Nam Diksha Vaishnavas Niyar. But this is not working, no taste. Chanting for no desire. Sometimes chanting, sometimes not chanting. Then Gurudev tells you, you come with me Govardhan. You going Govardhan Parikrama, Annakot Abhishek and everything, but all I don't understand why he is taking. He says your soul is one grains. This grains is Giriraj Seva power you are offering. Then this contaminated soul is will be clean. Then Vaishnavi Diksha means continue forever. Your love is coming for chanting Naam, chanting Mantra and service. Your service for desire and reason. Otherwise, not possible service for desire. Sometimes having hopeless, oh I am tired, hiding, thinking this is karma work, why I am doing Harinam, I am going secret places, Bhajananandi will be, I will be this Baba, this Baba, this Baba. Oh I am doing Mataji, Pitaji, Guruji, but not possible. Therefore, Giriraj Govardhan giving Ananyata, giving this Vaishnava Diksha, Parakya Diksha. Everything he is giving. Test giving for Nam Diksha, service for giving everything. Therefore, our lucky. You know, our this area, until here is Govardhan. After going that road, this is Vrindavan. How is all are staying in Govardhan, but this side going then Vrindavan. This Vrindavan all are telling, all are Vrindavan Brajavasi, you are not Brajavasi, you are Govardhanvasi. But lucky. I'm very happy. Anyhow, not possible going nearby here Govardhan, but his area is Govardhan. Writing, then paper, registration, everything Govardhan. And I'm thinking about this, but continue, not body it is possible, going mind it is. Every offering to stand Guru Bhargava there is present. Continue forever, and this for nectar coming for us. Our times are good helping, coming for us. They have to Mansimanga. Now, next, tomorrow I am starting, it is Danhat is glorious too. How is Mansimanga? This right side, Haridev. And this side is, now Danhat 2 is Chandan Sila. After Chandan Sila 2 you going next, then this Charanamrita Sila. Rather is Charanamrita. Krishna is telling one drop of not going another way. This Sakhi Mangari Abhishek, this Charanamrita not going. This is all forever talking. For ever, for everybody's sake. This Charanamrita Kumbh. How is it? Or Bhajan Sri Mahatma. They are doing sadhana.